How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can hide all you follow on Instagram and all following as well. Now just simply pull up or access your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in. So take note that if you're currently on a professional mode or on a professional dashboard, you won't be able to do this whole process. If you're currently on a professional account, just simply switch it into your personal account so that you will have an option to hide your following and followers list. Now at the top right, just go into the three lines and then just simply scroll down again. Now on the field here that says who can see your content, you can actually choose on account privacy. So this is going to be your last resort, or this is the only option for you to be able to hide all your Instagram following and your followers list by enabling a private account. Once you fully activated this, it will automatically be hidden in your profile. And that's it. That's how you hide Instagram following and followers list.